Grand Rising Kings and Queens. And I'm back with another vlog. Came outside to see how it's looking, y'all. Damn, how thick that ice is, bro. The roads don't look frozen, though. How thick that is, man. Yeah, the roads look alright. It is a little warm out here today too. So yeah, I'm about to get on the hustle, y'all. Dang. It definitely feels a lot warm. Ice melting and stuff. Okay. Definitely a good sign. I just got out of bed, man, and came straight outside. Well, put some clothes on, then I came outside to see how I look. So, let me go clean up and get on out here. I'll let y'all when I get out. Let's see how these roads are. Peace. Alright, man, it's about a half hour later since I pulled this camera out last. And as you see, it's starting to melt. All the ice is starting to melt off the truck. I got a lot of thick ass ice. Thick ass ice off the windows. But now I gotta get this, man. You see how thick that is. It's coming off easy though. Had the defrost on. Yes, sir. I'm gonna finish this, man, and pull this back out a little bit later. Just want to show y'all how thick this ice was. Finally got that. Got the truck all cleaned off. Not completely, but good enough to get this day going. Now I got my app on, and I am en route to go pick up somebody. But before I do, I want to holler at y'all and tell you I did not lose hope. I still got my head on straight. I'm still grinding towards my goal. Oh man, they just fucking canceled. Ain't that a bitch? But like I said, I'm still grinding towards my goal. But I have to put off trucking dreams for a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. And the reason being is because I need to get some bills paid and shit, man. And straight up, like, I just don't have a lot of money to feel confident. Enough money, I should say. I don't have enough money to feel confident when moving forward with this trucking stuff, because I'm gonna be taking a pay cut. Yes, I will be taking a pay cut. Believe it or not, starting off in this trucking stuff is not great money. I will be able to let me rephrase. I will be able to earn more money doing Lyft and Uber than I will driving on the truck. And I get to still be home every night, you feel me? I'll be taking a pay cut, G. Like the job I got online now, she asked me if I'm still coming, if I'm still interested. I said yes, but I can't get started right away. I'm thinking maybe late next week or the week after. I'm waiting to hear her reply to that message. I figured this, if I can get another weekend of doing this, as long as it ain't got no motherfucking ice storms, man. The ice storms be keeping me in the house. But if the roads stay clear like they are, then I feel confident I should be able to make it out there by next week or the week after. They only paying like $600 a week for training. And that's once I get out on the road and shit. Like once we there, I think they talking about, tell me $9 an hour, $15 an hour? I want to say $9 an hour to, for the orientation process and shit. So what's that, like $60 a day, I want to say she said. Something like that, some bullshit, which is exactly why, damn, big ass piece of ice fell off the truck. Which is exactly why I can't move forward real fast, man. I was hoping this job that I just got kicked out of, got fired before I got hired from, I was hoping that went through, because that was one of the better paying options. They was paying $800 a week. But I ain't found nobody near that's paying that amount for new people coming out of school. So, yeah, this is what it is, man. The trucking dreams will commence, but I gotta get some stuff taken care of first, man. In the fight world, we say position before submission. Don't go for the submission right away, even though you see it. You know what I mean? Make sure the position is secure first. That way you have a greater chance of keeping that submission in and letting it sink in and letting it work. You jump to it too fast, you're gonna be in the position that I'm in now. Jumping two things too fast, and now here I am struggling. That's it, man. I need a mentor. Straight up, I need somebody that's walking this path, or has walked this path, I should say. Has walked this path and is successful in this path. I don't have nobody like that, so I'm just trying to figure stuff out as I go. A lot of y'all, ain't even gonna lie, man, a lot of my comments, y'all comments been helping me navigate my way through into success. But I ain't there yet, man. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and the journey continues. Or as Nip say, the marathon continues. I'll pull this camera back out later. If you didn't already, hit that like button for me. It's the realest vlog on YouTube, baby. Straight up. Peace. Alright, family, this is gonna be a wrap for this vlog, man. Nice cold day out, but not too cold where everything stayed froze all day. We did. Stuff was thawing out. It was wet, but not slippery. Thank goodness. So that's gonna be it, y'all. That's it for the day. Got a little hustle on. Hollered at the lady, my recruiter from the gig that I got lined up. She's cool with my decision to wait until it's a good time for me to come. She just told me to let her know an exact date when I'm ready. So yeah, I should be doing that within a week or two. Until then, I'll be here getting my daily hustle on like I've been, and knocking out some of these bills, so I feel comfortable while I'm out there making less money doing this training and orientation and stuff. So anyway, that's gonna be it, y'all. Thanks for rocking with me. Hope y'all did something to work on y'all goals and y'all dreams today. Do a little bit every day, man. We get somewhere. I kind of want it to happen overnight, but it just don't seem to be working like that for a brother. So yeah, I'll holler later. Peace.